Chitappan again said, the countries around Abu Dhabi are located in a desert area. Even if one drives a little away from the city, one can see miles and miles of sand, no trees, no greenery, just sand. Chitappan said, if anyone drive a little, he can go on the sandy areas. And there is no greenery, there is no tree, there is just sand only. I used to dream of the thick greenery and cool water around our home in Kerala, said Kunjamma. I am so happy to see all this after such a long time. Kunjamma said that I want to see the greenery and water all around our home, but that is not there, and now here I am very happy to see the water and trees all around. And she is telling that she has seen so many trees and water after a long time. The children have almost forgotten how to feel when it rains. You know, it almost never rains in desert area, said Chitappan. Water is really very precious over there. No rain, no river, no lake, no pond, even below the ground there is no water. But added Shashi, there is a lot of oil under the sandy soil. So petrol is easily available in these countries. In fact, petrol is cheaper than water, said Chitappan. Chitappan said that there is neither rain, no river, no lake, no pond. That is why there is no water, and that is why the water is very precious and costly there. But Shashi said there is no water, but there is a lot of oil under the sandy soil, and there the petrol is easily available than the water, and the petrol is very cheaper here, or is very cheaper in Abu Dhabi. But this time, the taxi had reached Malu's house. Shanta and Shashi were surprised to see many fruit trees, coconuts, banana, jackfruit, papaya, betel nut, so many kinds of trees. Shashi said, we used to see only one kind of tree there, the date palms, because it is the only one that can grow in the desert. The date is the most common fruit. When Shashi saw so many fruits in Kerala, coconut, banana, jackfruit, papaya, betel nut, then she said that they could see only one type of fruit tree there, that is date tree. You know that Abu Dhabi is a very developed country. There are so many high-rises buildings, but there is no water, neither there is river nor pond nor lake. There is sea only, and there is so much sand on the seashore. You must have seen this. This is betel nut. This is the picture of betel nut, and this is the tree of date. You know, date. This is the tree of date. So dear students, this was the first part of the chapter. I hope you like this. We will meet in the next part of the chapter. Till then, have a nice day.